Hi everyone, I am Abigail Loya, and now talking about inventory system. Well, inventory systems are frameworks designed to manage the procurement, storage, and distribution of goods, materials, or products efficiently. This system ensures that business can meet customer demand while minimizing costs related to holding and managing inventory. Inventory systems are vital for balancing supply chain efficiency and service level performance. Now, types of inventory system. Well, the first, periodic inventory system. Inventory levels are reviewed at specific interval, weekly, monthly, etc., and orders are placed to replenish stock. And the application is used in smaller business or operation with less frequent transactions, such as small retail storage. The advantage is simple to implement and maintain, sustainable for business with stable demand partners. Um, The disadvantage is lack real-time updates, higher risks of stockouts between reviews, requires require manual counting, which can be time-consuming. The second is perpetual inventory system. Uses technology to track inventory levels in real time through automated systems like barcodes, RFID tags, or inventory software. The application is commonly used in large retail stores, warehouse, and e-commerce business. The advantage is real-time monitoring and updates, improved decision-making with accurate data. The disadvantage is higher implementation cost and requires regular system update and maintenance. Well, and the third is push inventory system. Inventory is replenished based on demand, forecast, and project sales. And the application is manufacturing industries with long production cycle or business with predictable demand. The advantage is ensure product availability during peak seasons, reduce lead time for customers. And the disadvantage is relies on accurate forecast. Error can lead to overstocking or stock codes. Well, now the fourth full inventory system. Well, inventory is replenished based on actual customer demand, aligning closely with Lean and GT methodologies. And the application is automotive industries, custom manufacturing, and any system aiming to minimize waste. The advantage is reduced holding costs, inventory waste, and enhanced responsiveness to customer needs. The disadvantage is can be challenging during unexpected demand spike and requires a strong supply relationship for timely replenishment. The fifth is consignment inventory, and the supplier owns the inventory until it's sold by the retailer. And the application is retail environments, particularly for high power or slow moving goods. The advantage is reduced financial risks for retailers and encourage stronger supplier-retailer collaboration. The disadvantage is requires trust between supplier and retailer, and complex to manage and track ownership. Sorry. And the last is vendor managed inventory. BMY. Uh, well, and the supplier manage inventory levels at the customer's location, and the application is common in industry with high supply chain integration, such as supermarkets or electronics. The advantage is streamlines operation and reduces stock costs, and shift inventory management responsibility to the supplier. The disadvantage is require high levels of coordination and dependency on supplier accuracy. Well, now talking about objectives of inventory system. Well, uh, is ensure availability of goods, is maintain adequate stock levels to prevent disruption in production or sale. For example, a supermarket restocking perishable items daily to meet customer needs. Other is optimize inventory costs, reduce costs associated with storing, ordering, and managing inventory. Example is implementing AOQ to balance holding and ordering costs. And other is balanced supply and demand, link inventory levels with fluctuations in customer demand. Example is seasonal adjustment in clothing store based on weather trends. Other is improve cash flow, avoid typing of excessive capital inventory, freeing fund for other operations. Example, a business using GIT inventory to minimize overstock, enhance customer satisfaction, ensure timely delivery and product availability to build customer loyalty. Example, e-commerce company offering same-day delivery. Other is minimize inventory loss. Reduce losses from obsolescence, shrinkage, or damage. Example, using climate-controlled storage for sensitive products. Well, and now talking about characteristic of inventory models. Um, well, uh, characteristic is assumption. Demand and lead time are known and constant. Characteristic simple calculation, ideal for environment with predictable demand. Example economic ordering quantity AOQ calculates the optimal ordering quantity to minimize total inventory costs. Record point ROP sets a trigger point for replacement based on lead time and demand. Other is stochastic inventory models. The assumption is demand and lead time are certain, requiring probabilistic approach. The correct is incorporate safety stock to buffer variability. Ideal for dynamic environments with unpredictable demand. For example, safety stock models determine extra inventory to handle fluctuations. Service level models focus on achievement or a specific probability of meeting data demand. Other is single period model. The application is for perishable or seasonal goods where demand occurs only once. Examples: news vendor model, balance overstock and understock costs. Use case: fashion retail management, inventory for a specific season. Other is multi-period models. The application is for products with recurring demand over multiple cycles. Example: um, fixed order quantity models. Orders are placed in fixed quantities. And fixed order interval models. Orders are placed at fixed intervals. And the last, inventory control policies. Continuous review. Inventory is monitored continually with order triggered, triggered when stock reaches the error point. Period review. Inventory is checked at regular intervals and orders are adjusted to maintain stock levels. Well, in conclusion, inventory systems are the backbone of effective supply chain and operation management, ensuring the right balance between customer satisfaction and cost efficiency. Each type of inventory system were periodic, perpetual, push-pull, consignor, or vendor-managed serve unique needs based on the business environment demands, partners, and operation goals. By understanding the objectives of inventory systems, such as minimizing cost, ensuring availability, and improving cash flow, business can align their inventory management strategies with their broader organizational goals. Moreover, selecting the appropriate inventory model, whether determinist or stochastic, ensures that business can handle both predictable and uncertain demand scenarios effectively. Mm, well, and modern technologies such as RFID and inventory management software further enhance the accuracy and efficiency of inventory systems, enabling real-time tracking and informed decision-making. As business grow more complex and customer expectations rise, robust inventory systems will continue to be critical for achieving operational excellence and maintaining a competitive edge. An effective inventory system is not just about managing stock, it's about fostering agility, resilience, and sustainability across the supply chains. Well, and implementing a well-designed inventory system not only improves product availability but also strengthens the supply chain by reducing inefficiencies, optimizing working capital, and enable business to respond quickly to changing demand. Additionally, technological advances such as intelligence and blockchain allow companies to modernize their systems, enhance accuracy, and foster transparency in operation. Well, a successful inventory system combines flexibility, precision, and a customer-centered approach. Business should evaluate their specific needs, the level of demand uncertainty, and the required technological investment to implement a system that maximizes operational and financial performance. With proper management, inventory system can evolve from being a cost factor to becoming a key competitive advantage in any industry. Well, that's it. And thanks for your attention and bye bye.